Hello, and welcome to Asahi America's presentation on PolyPure, our high-purity natural polypropylene product line. Municipal water, such as readily available tap water, is generally safe for human consumption, but typically contains additional contaminants that affect highly sensitive industrial processes. Some of these contaminants include trace minerals, bacteria, and oils and solvents. As such, it's important for users and customers to have high purity water at their disposal for industrial processes such as laboratory testing, electronics manufacturing, or biomanufacturing. Our high purity piping and fittings are designed to maintain the high purity of the water going through your system. Smooth interiors are more difficult to adhere to, keeping bacteria at bay and preventing biofilm buildup. Our high-purity plastics are stable and non-reactive with little to no chemical leach-out. Our fittings are specifically designed to reduce the formation of dead legs within your system, preventing areas where bacteria and biofilm can build up. PolyPure piping and fittings are made up of non-pigmented polypropylene, molded in metric sizing. PolyPure is only available in SDR11, ranging from 1/2 inch to 4 inch. It's made up of USP Class 6 resins, is FDA approved, and the product is sold cleaned and bagged. PolyPure is used wherever reliable high-purity water needs to be delivered, such as in hospitals and clinics, pharmaceutical manufacturing, private laboratories, government research laboratories, and college laboratories. PolyPure piping and fittings can be joined using a variety of methods. IR Fusion utilizes our SP tools. These tools allowed for a weld without direct material contact, allowing for clean, repeatable, and reliable welds. Standard butt fusion is also available as an option. If there is a concern regarding potential for buildup on the inside of the piping at the weld lines, beadless fusion might be the answer. Additional design considerations need to be undertaken for the balloon insert used with beadless fusion. Finally, socket fusion is available for customers who may not have access to an SP tool or may be on a job site where one would be impractical. Socket fittings are just as readily available as spigot fittings are. SP tools are the primary tooling we recommend using to join PolyPure pipe and fittings. These are machines manufactured by Agru that we stock for rental or purchase. They perform IR butt fusion, which allows for clean and repeatable welds. The machines will monitor and log critical welding parameters and will alert the user to faulty welds with weld labels. The machines utilize a pressure transducer and weld programs which are optimized for specific material grades and sizes. Other features include magnetic clamp inserts, adjustable planers, and preheating for machine components. For PolyPure, we recommend using the SP63S or the SP110S V3. Besides welding, PolyPure can be joined via multiple types of mechanical connections. One such mechanical connection is the sanitary adapter. Routine work such as cleaning and sterilization can be done much more easily with a properly installed sanitary adapter. Clamps are available in nylon or stainless steel. The most common gasket materials are EPDM or FKM, but other materials are available upon request. Please visit our website to take a look at our best practices guide for installing sanitary adapters. We also offer additional mechanical connections with the PolyPure line, including unions and standard flange adapters. We offer instrumentation and probe fittings to facilitate installation of your gauges and meters. These fittings are machined from virgin material to ensure their purity, and while we do have a range of standard tap options, custom requests are welcome. Standard faucets will likely have dead legs or areas of stagnant water where bacteria can build up and become biofilm. Recirculating faucets attempt to combat this with constant flow, preventing stagnant water areas. However, there is the possibility that stagnant areas may still exist due to the pressure drop across the faucet. This is why we offer recirculating faucets with a diverter, which restricts flow across the faucet, increasing pressure to maintain steady flow. PolyPure is available in multiple valve options for your specific system needs. Ball valves allow for easy installation and usage. Needle valves offer ultra-precise flow control. Diaphragm valves are popular within high-purity systems. They come standard with lockout devices to prevent unauthorized cycling, and on the T343, a zero deadleg option is available. Both of these valves are offered as manual valves, but can be used with actuation just like any of the other valves we offer. Sealing gaskets for all these valves are offered in multiple materials. Presented on the screen is a bisection of our T342 diaphragm valve, alongside a diagram of our zero deadleg T343 diaphragm valve. These valves are designed to limit stagnant water buildup when the valve is closed. Asahi America is proud to offer prefabrication in our accredited Class 1000 ISO 6 cleanroom. Our welders are capable of certifying to various standards, such as ASTM and DVS. We can provide welding coupons for mechanical evaluation as necessary. Our technical support team is capable of handling difficult projects, dispensing valuable engineering design advice, and assisting with material, fitting, and accessory recommendations. Asahi America is here to support your high purity projects. Please feel free to visit our website at asahi-america.com. Otherwise, if you have more detailed engineering questions, please feel free to call one of our customer service associates at the phone numbers shown on the screen or in the links in this presentation. Thank you.